Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the host. Install the latest GPU driver and confirm Hyper-V role is active. You must enable nested virtualization on the VM's processor settings so the guest can see GPU features. Use PowerShell's setVM processor expose virtualization extensions $true. Once done, make sure the VM uses Generation 2 and has Secure Boot set appropriately. You do this now because the guest needs hardware exposure before you attempt device assignment, or DDA, preventing configuration rework later. Next, you perform the actual assignment. Use discrete device assignment for near-native GPU performance. First, identify the GPU with getPNP device or getVM host assignable device, then dismount it from the host so Windows won't bind drivers. After that, use addVM assignable device to attach the device to the target VM and boot the VM to install guest drivers. You do this because DDA avoids vGPU complexity. It gives the guest direct control, which is essential for compute workloads. Finally, validate the setup. Inside the VM check device manager and run a GPU test like dxdiag or a small CUDA/OpenCL task to confirm compute and rendering. If performance is lower than expected, make sure IMU or VTD is enabled in firmware and that the GPU isn't still bound to the host. Rerun dismount and add steps if needed. A key troubleshooting tip: if the VM won't boot after assignment, detach the device and verify firmware settings and driver versions on both host and guest before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.